What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel and welcome to this week's video. We're out here in the Front Range of Colorado. I've got Leah out here and we are going to go find ourselves a campsite. This is going to be the spot. I'm going to put out the awning this way and I'm actually going to drop a hammock between that tree and my car. All right. First time's the charm. We'll have to set up some lights here soon, but here's the whole setup. I'm pretty much underneath the awning, which is good because not only is that dark the nightfall, but that dark is also storm coming. There's been some lightning recently, definitely some thunder coming over the ridge, Rampart Range that is. Depending how bad the rain is, I'll probably end up actually pulling the hammock itself, and I'll probably just hang out, keep myself dry until I can throw the hammock back up and go to sleep. So for the ambient lighting, I'm just gonna slide the LED strip that comes with the Ironman awnings. And then we'll just run that straight off of the deep cycle battery. And yeah, that should work out well. So you can hear the rain starting to fall now. I'm gonna get the hammock tucked into the car just so it stays dry, keep my quilt dry, and like I mentioned earlier, hopefully it's short-lived. I don't know if you can see that on the time lapse, but I freaking dumped all my food on the ground just a minute ago. And it's getting chilly, so I need to freaking toss on the down jacket here in a second. But the rain is here. The wind is coming in spurts, and when the wind hits, I mean, it's just sideways rain right into my face. So that sucks. The hammock and everything is tucked inside the car right now, and I cleared a spot, so if the rain gets crazy, I can just hide inside. But right now we're at 50% chance of rain. It says 70 degrees. Oh, actually it's really picking up now. I might toss my food inside too. Shoot. Look at that, we got a puddle forming. Whew. This is gonna be quite the night. It's coming down pretty good, so I thought I'd hop inside, listen to the weather radio. And I was just gonna sit here and try to hide from the rain for a little bit.
A 20% chance of thunderstorms. Lows around 60. Highs around 90. Monday night, mostly clear with a 10% chance of thunderstorms.
Well, that's quite a bit of rain. I think I'm gonna seek refuge in the car for a few more minutes. I was eating a Chick-fil-A sandwich and the rain started to calm down a little bit, so I thought I would hop out there, check things out. It's a little chilly out there now, so that happened pretty quick. No big deal though. That won't affect me at all tonight. The rain's the issue for the hammock camping. Shoot, just gonna hang out for longer, honestly. I checked the weather radar because I'm spotty in 4G service right now, and it looked like it went from 30% before I left my house to now it's 80% through 11 o'clock tonight. Around midnight it goes down to 15%, and yeah, hopefully that allows me to set up the hammock and get some sleep. Now I'm pretty much just stuck in a cloud. I think that's pretty cool. I guess I'm gonna set up camp and let's get this party going. Ooh, so close to scraping the ground, but not quite. So that's the setup right there. Put my head up here. Legs will be down there, obviously. And yeah, we're gonna sleep like that all night. If it rains, it'll be my feet. They get wet, but they should stay warm. And aside from that, I mean, it really should just be a comfortable night. Well, I think that's gonna do it, guys. We will see y'all in the morning. Well, there's camp. Probably gonna start packing everything up here in just a second. Sun's finally up and warming things up, but it has been chilly this morning, that's for sure. I guess that's pretty much all that's on the agenda, is just pack up camp and head on out. So last night wasn't too bad. It was a little chilly, that's for sure. And oh, I don't see my glasses. That sucks. It was definitely a bit chilly, but it wasn't too bad. Definitely some drafts coming from the quilt, how I had it just wrapped around as opposed to wrapped like around my body, which would have been better. But anyways, yeah, what a night. Very enjoyable. I'll have to try this again. I don't know if I need to adjust my angles at all. They seem pretty comfortable, but yeah, I don't know. I'd just say I was a little chilly all night, and that made it, you know, not a great night's sleep or whatever. But I think it's time to start moving. We gotta pack up camp. We gotta get down to town. So let's do something. Pretty easy cleanup. We'll grab the cooler, toss that in the back of the car, and then we are freaking out of here. That was a really good adventure. Very quick, painless, no complaints, aside from how chilly it was. Not a complaint, I just wasn't prepared well enough. If I had like just a sweatshirt, it would have been a different ball game too. Oh well, whatever. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see some more of my adventures, and we'll see you sometime soon with something else.